I'm going to start by gluing on this little extra piece of styrofoam to make a handle for painting the pumpkin. Later, I will decide there is a better way to do this. I'll be painting this one with Folk Art Color Shift and Purple Flash. Here's that better way I mentioned. Once it is painted, I just use a block of floral foam to hold it while it dries. I leave the plastic on to keep the foam clean. Second verse, same as the first. Make yourself a pumpkin lollipop. Using black acrylic by Delta for this one. All dry and ready for this Dollar Tree cat costume set. And I looked up vintage Halloween cats for inspiration. The paints I am using are puff paint because they are nice and thick. It adds dimension and you don't have to do several layers. Now that she has her face on, it's time to dress her up, starting by cutting the elastic off the tail. And gluing it to the back of her. I want the tail to stand up more, so I glued it where I like the placement. She needs ears. You could just sit the headband on her, but it's a little big. I am cutting off the ears as close to the headband as I can. Then you run a bead of hot glue along the base of the ear and stick it where you like it. Last, she needs her bow. I'm going to fold down the bow on one side like this, so it lies more flat on her head. I can't tell you how much I love her. So cute. Moving on to our witchy poo. You need a Dollar Tree witch hat headband and this hanging sign, also from Dollar Tree. Remove the hat from the headband. And glue it to the top. Now we take the sign apart by removing the staples from the back. And cut a piece of floral foam like so. Cut a strip of cardboard about 2 inches tall. I used the cat costume board. We are going to glue this part of the sign right onto the front, like this. Now fold the cardboard like you see here. We are going to glue it onto the back of the legs like this to create a stand. I advise standing up the legs when you place the cardboard stand so that you get the proper placement. It should look something like this. Now we are gluing on the little piece of floral foam to the bottom of the pumpkin. We glue the legs to it like this. It will need glue reinforcing it pretty well, be warned. There she is, adorable! Here's a side view so you can see how it all comes together. My vintage Kitch Halloween entry display. I love it. I hope you did too. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fun tutorials. Thanks for watching!